Huh? Oh, you gonna give me a kiss? I love you. What's a chicken do? What's a kiwi boy? What about doggy? Huh? And talk to kiwi boy? A kiwi boy? Hey kiwi boy. Hey kiwi boy. What coyote? Aw, we miss you, kiwi boy. I love you, kiwi boy. Nana loves kiwi boy. Oh, kiwi boy. Nana's a pretty girl. Okay, say bye-bye. Say goodbye. Say bye-bye. What are you going to do if I touch you? Huh? What are you going to do?
I'll bite you.
That's what I figured. What if I don't quit and I keep...
I'll bite you.
I know you will. What if I keep bothering you? Huh? What are you going to do? Then what you going to do?
I'll bite you.
I know you will.